Have you started recently disliking or feeling uncomfortable with your partner? Have you started developing a feeling that he or she is not being faithful to you? Then this is a sign that you must never ignore. Yes, you might fall short of words to describe your feeling, but trust me, feelings are sometimes true, and if ignored can be really dangerous. So here I am, your friend Swapna. In this video I am going to describe you different signs that you must never avoid to have a very good relationship. First sign: you and your partner have been really in a loving relationship and you never feel uncomfortable even if it is PDA, but recently he or she has started avoiding PDA, and even if you do PDA they say you that you should stop. Then this is a very big sign that your partner might be cheating on you. If recently they have started being really spunky, really excited to go out, and they are really dressing up well, which they did not do earlier, but they're doing it now. You can see that spunk in their eyes, then again this is a sign that they are cheating on you. Gone are the days when you both sat together and spoke for length. You discussed life, problems, issues, and tried to solve them. But now, when you share your problem with them, either they are smiling, either they are laughing, or either they are not attentive about it. Then friends, this is a very big sign they are losing interest on you, and they have started developing interest in someone else. Earlier he saw in your eyes and fell in love once again, but now looking directly in your eyes is a big deal. They are avoiding that eye contact from you. If it is so, then friends, definitely they are hiding something from you. They are trying to be secretive, and cheating can be a very big reason. They are having an affair and they are trying to hide it from you. This can be a very big sign which must never be avoided. Previously, there was no password in phones, no password in WhatsApp, no password on social networking site, no password in phone even. And you could directly access it and see whatever you wanted. Everything was crystal clear. But now he has started being very secretive. His phone behavior has changed. There is password in everything. You aren't able to access it. And he is not ready to give his phone to you. Then friends, it is a very big sign that he or she is cheating on you. There is one point that I want to share with all of you which you might or might not agree with me, but it is also one of these signs. He has recently started being very demanding in bed. Earlier he wasn't so, but now he has started being very lustful. He has started being very weird, which you're not feeling comfortable. Then the lust can be the reason for cheating. Be aware. Last but not the least, they have started taking better care of themselves, which they earlier did not. I mean, from the type of haircut to the type of perfume to the type of the attire, shoe, dress up, everything is being very big deal for them, and they are really concerned about it. Then it is a sign that there is someone whom they want to impress. Friends, in case you found this video a awakening sign for you, do not forget to share with your dear friends and save their relationships.